Ever wondered about the science behind fire? What makes it burn? And did you know there are different types of fire? Yes, you heard it right. Fire, as mesmerizing as it is a complex phenomenon, a result of a chemical reaction called combustion. Today, we journey into the world of fire, exploring the science behind it and its different types. Fire is essentially the rapid oxidation of combustible materials, producing heat, light, and various chemical reactions, such as the formation of carbon dioxide and water. The gases produced from this oxidation process become ionized to create plasma. The color and intensity of the flame can vary based on the impurities present in the combustible material. Generally, fire causes damage, having the ability to physically destroy materials. Now let's talk about the different types of fire. Firstly, there's the Class A fire, which originates from wood. Water, soil, and sand are commonly used to extinguish this type of fire, as well as soda acid fire extinguishers. Next, we have the Class B fire, which is caused by oil. To extinguish this type, foam fire extinguishers or carbon dioxide are used. Then there's the Class C fire, resulting from gas. Water or dry powder is typically used to put out this kind of fire. Lastly, we have the Class D fire, which is caused by electricity. CTC fire extinguishers are used to extinguish this type of fire. So, what's the chemistry behind fire? Well, fire is born when a combustible material, in the presence of sufficient oxygen and heat capable of sustaining a chain reaction, comes into contact. Absence of any one of these elements would prevent the birth of fire. Once a fire starts, meaning the chain reaction begins, it continues to burn and spread as long as oxygen and combustible material are present. Fire can be extinguished by separating either oxygen or the fuel source. For instance, when sufficient water is sprayed on a fire, it impedes the fuel's contact with oxygen, extinguishing the fire. Fire can also be put out using carbon dioxide. Forest fires are typically extinguished by creating small fires away from the main blaze to cut off the fuel supply. To summarize, fire is a complex chemical reaction that requires a fuel source, oxygen, and heat to occur. There are different types of fire based on the source of the fire, and each type requires a specific method to extinguish. Understanding the science behind fire not only satisfies our curiosity, but also equips us with the knowledge to handle fire-related emergencies effectively. So next time you see a flame, remember, it's not just a pretty sight. It's a dance of chemistry, a testament to the fascinating world of science that surrounds us.